Hi everyone. As you know, in the last video, we had did a question of prefix sum, and now we are doing a question of simply an array question of lead code. So the question is, find words containing characters of 2942, and you are given a zero index array of integer words and a character x. Means they had given us a two parameter. The first parameter is the words. The data type of the first parameter is going to be in string, and there is another data type and the character and another parameter whose data type is going to be in character, and we have to return an indexes of the array representing the x character. Means we have to find out the character x is present in the string or not. If present, yes, then we have to return the index of that word. Okay, and put in an array list and then return. So as you can see in the example here, we have to given an words. We have given an array of words in which the first one is lead and second one is code. So and we had given a character e. So we have to find out the e is present in the word, in the both of the word, and if present, then we have to return an index of that word. As you can see, is present twice in the first word. So we don't want to return the index of the character. We have to just return the index of the word. Okay, so here we add that index of the word 0, and in another parameter, again there e is present in that another parameter. So we return the index of that parameter also. Okay, means 1. So 0 and 1 are the indexes where e is present in the words. Okay, so what we have to do, as you can see, we have to return an array list. So first thing that we'll do, we'll make an array list for that, and then we'll simply add that indexes in that array list. And the data type is going to be an integer. Means the integer equals, we have to return, and the indexes are going to be an integer. Array list. Yeah. And now what we'll do, we'll just made a loop for the iteration of the array. So the first loop is iterate through the array, but as we know, we have to iterate through the word also. Means now at that time we have to do the nesting looping. Whenever we have to find out a character inside a word, then we have to do a nesting looping. So for that reason, we are doing here a nesting looping, and we have to change the character. Means here we have taken I, then we will not take another I also. So for that reason, I have taken here a J, and words dot length, words of J. Because for the string, we have to do this. And now what you have to do, we have to simply add that character in that array list. So for that reason, first of all, we have to make a condition where we have to find out that the character e is present in a word or not. Okay. So for that reason, what we'll do, words dot j, words dot char at caret caret g caret g dot caret g. I think this is the parenthesis. Caret j equal to the x. If yes, then we'll add that character in the then we'll add the index of that character in it. What's character? Just a minute. So yeah, so we had this at that time. What you have to do, you have to just do here also, because what you have to do, words of I means words of for the first iteration, words of zero index. Zeroth index means now it's targeting on the first index means lead, and dot caret j means now it is targeting on the first letter, first character of that word means L. So if it equals to x means e, then the condition will run. You have to simply add that index list dot add I means now we don't want to add the jth index. We have to just add the index of that word. Okay. So here we did this, and now we simply have to, and once it's done, then we'll simply break the loop. Okay, because we don't want to once we get a e, then we don't want to find out the another e is present or not, and there's no need to check further again. Return the list. Just a second. Now, as we can see here I did here a j, but I'm doing it's I because we have to find out the length of that lead. Okay, so for that reason we have to do here I, and now let me run them. So yes, we had passes all the test cases. So yeah, so so this is a question on an array, and we'll meet on the next video with the next question.